So the big question is this: how do small business owners like us grow our leadership, develop our teams, and scale our business in a way that allows us to get our products and services out to the world, yet still remain profitable? That is the question, and this podcast will give you the answers. I'm Bradley Hamner, and this is the Club Capital Leadership Podcast. Welcome to The Bottom Line, a new weekly podcast series that we drop every Thursday to complement our weekly Monday podcast interviews with the industry leaders. These podcasts are going to be designed to give you short, impactful, and value-driven information that you can start using right away in your business. I value your time and attention and will do my very best not to waste it. Just get what you need and go. So with that, let's get into today's episode. Are you an agency owner looking to grow your revenue, increase your bottom line, and better manage your taxes? Club Capital is here to help. Club Capital is the largest accounting and advisory firm for insurance agents in the country, providing monthly accounting, tax strategy, and CFO services. Way more than bookkeeping and your everyday run-of-the-mill tax prep, Club Capital is focused on providing financial and tax advisory services that help you plan and forecast your agency's performance. Their financial dashboards and agency forecasting tools help you better understand your agency's historical performance, create and measure future targets, and see how your agency compares to your peers around the country. Imagine what it would be like to understand the impact to your bottom line when deciding to hire a new employee, or forecast the impact rate changes or commission rates will have on your business. With over $200 million in tracked annual revenue and $140 million in tracked annual expenses, Club Capital has the data and the team to help you make better informed decisions for your agency. They will help you turn that back office stress into the backbone of your agency's success by giving you the tools to take your agency and your leadership to the next level. Visit club.capital today to book a solution overview with one of our business consultants. Club Capital, way more than a CPA firm. Ambition is the first step towards success. It's time to level up your agency. And Coach P Consulting will help you do just that by using the same strategies he used to sell over 700 life insurance policies in 2021 alone. Now, this is not your regular one and done type coaching. You'll get personalized coaching 2 days a week, every week of the month, and you'll get a live look behind the scenes of his team training and an office that's performing at the highest level. There's a reason Coach P Consulting is the fastest growing coaching company for insurance agency owners in the country. Coach P will train your team alongside his own and show you the exact steps they're taking to achieve Chairman Circle, exotic travel, and multi-line presence club, and be one of the few agents to be selected to have a third office. So whether your goal is to be at the top of your local market or amongst the best in the country, this training will give you the strategies and the tactics to get there. For just $250 a month, you'll get high-level coaching each week from someone who is already getting it done at that level, and his strategies work, and it's time to put them to work for you. Sign up at coachpconsulting.com and get your first full month for free when you mention the Club Capital Leadership Podcast.
Hey, everyone. So I just got off of a sales call with someone, business owner in California in the construction space. And as we were talking, and I was asking her some questions around what she does, and her and her husband are business partners, she said, I just don't know. So I know what to do. I just don't necessarily know how to do it. And she goes on to share some other things. And I said, you know what? I want to actually go back to something you said, because I think that's actually a really important point. And that is, sometimes we just don't know what to do. With our business owners, we'll say, what were your wins? What was a lesson? And where are you stuck? Well, sometimes we're stuck because we just don't know what to do. The business is not growing. I'm frustrated with my team, or lack of team development. Our sales is not where it needs to be. Financials are not where it needs to be. And we just seem to be a little lost because we don't know what to do. That is very different than feeling like I know what to do. I just don't know how to go about doing it. The how, okay, the how to execute on that. What is the nuance? What's the steps? How to organize the sequence? What do I do then first? And then what do I do next? And then what do I do next? It's very different than not knowing what to do. So this is a super simple one. There's no way for me to give my opinion, not that you need it anyway, of what or how based on where you are with your business. But I will say this, one thing to consider is ask yourself when you feel stuck, next time you feel stuck, because we all feel stuck as business owners. I mean, if we don't feel stuck, then we're probably not pushing hard enough at all. So at some levels, we're going to hit the ceiling of complexity, regardless of what that level is. If that's getting you to your first 250,000 in revenue, or getting to 500,000, or getting to 1 million, or even pushing to 2 million and pushing to 5, whatever that is for you, you will hit these bottlenecks. So you will hit these ceilings of complexity, so to speak, is from the book, The Goal. But you will hit these ceilings. We all do. It doesn't matter even if you're 25 million trying to go to 100 million, you're going to hit a ceiling of complexity. You're going to feel stuck for a period of time, or you're going to plateau out. Many of you are in the gym space. Ask yourself, is it, I just don't know what to do next? I don't know what is needed? Or is it, I actually feel like I know what the path is, I just don't know how to go about doing it. I don't know how to lay out every single thing and then all the nuance around that. And that may help you to be able to figure out, wait, is this a what problem, or is this a how problem? And those are two different solutions and ways to approach the business. So anyway, hope that helps you next time you're feeling stuck. Is it what, or is it how? All right, everyone, till next time, lead well.